Hey, we all know that Earth orbits the Sun, but what if we see it the other way? Like as if the Sun is orbiting our Earth. Weird, right? Ancient people noticed that as the Sun passed through each constellation, the seasons change. The time to plant crops, harvest, or celebrate festivals could all be predicted by which constellation the Sun was in. Now, let us come to the perspective about which we talked earlier. Here, the Earth will be at center and Sun will revolve around it. Here, we mark one side as sunrise and the other as sunset, along with the cardinal directions. Now, place an observer on the sunset side. For him, stars begin to appear in the eastern sky. Remember, east and west marked are as per the observer's POV. Now, sun has some background stars. Let's say yellow stars on the eastern side and colorful stars on the western side. For our observer, when the sun sets in the west, yellow stars begin to rise on the eastern side at the same time. He notes this as day 1. Those stars remain visible for a certain period and then gradually new stars take their place. This cycle continues until the same yellow stars appear again on the eastern horizon. Now, here's the key. For every set of stars rising in the east, there is an opposite set in the west. In our case, the colorful stars are opposite to the yellow ones. So, these stars, that is the colorful stars, contribute to the zodiacal constellations, which are hidden behind the sun's glare. The sun stays in each of these constellations for a certain period, and that's what we call a month. Now, again, here we are having a different perspective, not the same as sunrise and sunset. Here we are seeing how months are named after the group of stars in which sun enters that we saw few seconds ago. Now generally our months begins with January. So for January the sun enters Capricornus. So for someone observing from the ground at sunset, Cancer will be visible in the east while the sun itself will be aligned with the Capricornus in the west. But here's something important. The sun doesn't enter Capricornus exactly on 1st January. It happens on 14th January, which we celebrate as Makar Sankranti or the start of Uttarayan. From 14th January to 14th February, the sun remains in Capricornus and then moves into Aquarius. This same periodic pattern continues for every month as the sun travels through the zodiac. So, Pisces is March, Aries is April, Taurus is May, Gemini is June, Cancer is July, Leo is August, Virgo is September, Libra is October, Scorpio is November, and Sagittarius is December. I hope you have understood from this video that how months are linked to the zodiacal constellations. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.